it's CarlWheezer here, and today I will be playing Quadracade. So I was recently browsing the App Store, and I found this game, and I thought it would be pretty fun to play. It seems really hectic, and as you all know, I am very good under stress. So, with that, let's get started. Now I think I'm gonna go slow, because I am slow. Alright. No. And I lost a life. Oh gosh. Okay. Having four going at once isn't exactly my strong suit. Although this game is actually pretty fun. Okay. I'm doing pretty well. Oh no! 10,000. Wow. Okay. I did pretty well, starting slowly. Let's see what happens if I start at a normal speed. I like how calming the music is. Darn it. This is a little more hectic. Darn it, it was the platformer one again. I only made 4 coins. How am I ever expect to buy Jimmy's mom a present with low wages like this? I still haven't even received my paycheck from Five Nights at Freddy's. Shrap. It takes 100 coins to buy a game. What? Okay, so I sucked at medium speed, so let's try fast. Alright, let's see if I can beat my high score. Darn it. Alright. Let's see if I can maybe make it so that the platformer one doesn't kill me this time. No. We're going a little too fast for my liking. Darn it. I did survive surprisingly well, though. Oh no, how am I losing at the Paperboy one? Darn it! High score! Alright! Can't sign in, whatever. But, alright. I did pretty well. Okay, I think we'll give it one more try. the highest speed. So far, the platformer has been my nemesis, but not today. Oh no. No! Alright. Well, I suppose I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching if you stuck around until the end. If you didn't, well, I can't exactly shame you because you aren't hearing this. Yeah. Leave your comments down below on what games you'd like to see me play next. Or suggestions on how to improve my videos. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to show your support, please subscribe and like the video. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. And may you be blessed with eternal croissant.